So Garmin CIRQA has leaked once again, and this time we get our clearest look yet. The latest images reveal all 4 color options while also giving us a much better look at the hardware. Across all 4 versions, Garmin keeps the electronics module black, while only the woven fabric strap and the metal clasp change color. The images also confirm a hook and loop or Velcro style fastening system, which should make it easy to get a snug fit for all day and overnight wear. The most debated part of today's leak is the heart rate sensor. Just looking at the rear layout, it closely resembles Garmin's older Elevate Gen 4 optical sensor rather than the more advanced optical sensor found on many of Garmin's recent wearables. If that turns out to be true, it could be one of the ways Garmin managed to bring the price down. And as we covered in our previous video, the rumored pricing is around $199.99 in the United States, €199.99 in Eurozone, and £179.99 in the UK. Now, I'm not completely convinced it's simply a standard Elevate Gen 4 sensor. Personally, I think this could be a modified version. Here's why. Garmin previously listed CIRQA on its health status compatibility page, and health status is calculated using 5 overnight metrics, including skin temperature. A standard Elevate Gen 4 sensor has never been associated with Garmin's wrist skin temperature feature. So unless that health status listing was a mistake, it's possible Garmin has developed a modified version of the sensor or an entirely new variant specifically for CIRQA. Of course, until Garmin officially confirms the hardware, this remains speculation. The latest images also reveal several other interesting hardware details. CIRQA appears to use Garmin's familiar 4-pin charging connector instead of wireless charging, which could mean existing Garmin charging cables will be compatible. The strap attachment also resembles Garmin's quick release system, suggesting replacement bands may be interchangeable without replacing the electronics module. On the back, you can also spot 4 visible screws securing the sensor housing, which could make the device easier to service than many competing fitness bands. There's also a single physical button on the side of the device. Since CIRQA doesn't have a display, most setup and day-to-day configuration will likely happen through the Garmin Connect app, while the button is expected to handle basic functions like pairing and powering the device on or off. With Garmin's own website accidentally revealing more details and new leaks continuing to surface, the official launch is looking closer than ever. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.